drill, vocabulary. 2 teams. Team 1.
Yeah!
Team 1.
Team 2. Yeah! Okay, so guys, you're going to start. You're going to say a word that's on the board that we've been learning, and we'll, as quickly as possible, say a different word back.
Okay.
On your marks, get set, go!
Strawberry.
Peanut butter.
Hazelnuts.
Honey.
Peanut butter.
You said peanut butter. So
Sorry.
now we serve, we start the game. So
Do we get points?
you get no.
No. Oh.
It's just no points for you. It's just as quickly as you can.
Okay.
You are out though because you repeated a word.
Oh, I'm out.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry, Heather, sorry.